So the number of forward paths, the first forward path is from the node 1. Sorry, let me take a different color. So I have marked it here. The first forward path is from the node 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the main forward path from 1 to 9. And we talk every term here in terms of the gain value. So what is the gain for the first forward path? जो red color का line है, it is 1 into 1 into G1 into 1 into G2 into G3 into 1 into 1. See, when I'm giving you the gain value, I'm mentioning 1 1 also, just to make you understand that instead of 1, अगर वहां पे कोई और value होता तो आप उसको वो consider करते. But here nothing is specified, so 1. So I'm giving you in that path, that is the gain. 1 is the gain. So what is the overall gain for this first forward path? G1, G2 into G3. First forward path, G1, G2 into G3. Now coming to the yellow line, that is your the field forward path, जो remaining है, other than main forward path. Identify the gain values. The path is from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to directly 7, 7 to 9, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. So this is the second forward path. Here the gains are 1 into 1 into G1 into 1 into G4 into 1 into 1. So in total it is G1 into G4. Second forward path G1 into G4. So P1, P2 I have identified. And जितने forward paths होंगे उतना delta K values होंगे. यहाँ पे दो forward paths हैं P1, P2. So I have to find delta 1 and delta 2. Remember in the fourth step. Now coming to the second step, I should identify the number of single loops. So try to identify the number of single loops here. Identify the number of single loops present here. Three. Okay, Salahuddin is telling 3. Very quickly tell me how many loops you have. Any other answer? So other than those 3 loops which you have identified, minus h1, minus h2 and minus 1. These terms are involved in those first 3 loops. Other than those 3, another 2 loops, additional loops I have drawn. One is yellow line, one is blue line. As I have already drawn, let me complete the gain values of these first. Then I can erase and get back to the first 3 loops. So first yellow color loop ke liye, what is the gain value? 1 into G1 into 1 into G4 into 1 into minus 1. So this is the gain value for this loop. I have written here. Here it is probably 1 into G1 into G1 G4, right? G1 G4 and minus 1. So it's here. Last loop. 1 into G1 1 G4 minus 1. For this single loop I have drawn. I have written the gain value. And for blue color, it is 1 into G1, G4 into minus H2. 1 into G4 into 1 into minus H2. So these 2 gains are for yellow and blue loops. Okay. Now first 3 you have already identified. So first loop कौन सा होगा? Let me take this. ये वाला एक loop है, that is G1 into 1 into G2 into minus H1. So minus G1 G2 H1. Minus G1 G2 H1. ये first loop है. Second loop. फोर से start होके this one. So it is 1 into G2 into G3 into minus H2. So minus G2 G3 H2. So one more bigger loop, I think it is remaining. Starting from 2. This one. So what are the gain values? G1 Actually, it starts from 1. 1 into G1 into 1, G2, G3, 1 minus 1. So it is minus G1, G2, G3. Minus G1, G2, G3. So just by looking, you assume that there are only 3 loops. But however, sorry, I have not written. So totally, number of single loops are 5 here. And mark them as P11, 12, 13, 14, 15. First 1 indicates single loops. So how many? The second number is the number of loops, 5. Now coming to 2 non-touching loops. Can you find any 2 non-touching loops here? Try to analyze every possible loop जो भी है. Let me draw all the lines with the different colors. This is one loop. Second loop. Third loop. Fourth loop. The last one. So totally I have drawn all the 5 loops here all together with different colors. You can see कोई भी 2 लूप्स ऐसे नहीं है, नॉन टचिंग लूप्स आपको नहीं मिलेंगे, क्योंकि वो हर एक लूप यू कैन सी फॉरवर्ड पाथ से टच है, कनेक्टेड है. यू ट्राई टू सी नोड्स आर ओवरलैपिंग, नोड्स को इनसाइड हो रहे हैं फॉर एवरी. इफ यू टेक द एनी कॉम्बिनेशन, take with the yellow and this purple color, they are coinciding. Take this pink color with yellow color, they are coinciding. So most of, you can see all 5 loops, कहां पर भी आपको 2 non touching loops नहीं मिलेंगे. Hence 2 non touching loops number is 0. This is your second step. Single loops identified, 2 non touching loops. Similarly, if you go for 3 non touching loops and so on, all are 0, 0, 0. So stop here. Then going for the next step, delta. What is delta? 1 minus sum of gains of single loops. हमने कितने आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं? 5. So ये जो भी आंसर्स आए हैं आपको सबको ऐड कर लो. You can see all are having negative value, all are minus. तो यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला में ये माइनस है, माइनस ऑफ माइनस, एट द एंड यू विल गेट 1 प्लस. एंड ये 1 माइनस हो गया सिंगल लूप्स प्लस alternate plus minus sign. Next bracket is 2 non touching loops minus next bracket is 3 non touching loop. ये सब तो वैल्यू 0 है. So it is simply delta equals to 1 plus of those gains. Then calculation of delta k. Delta k is what? Delta 1 and delta 2, because 2 forward paths are there. So 2 delta values. Delta 1 is first forward path के लिए formula is 1 minus alternate plus minus signs. This indicate, this bracket has number sum of the gains of single loops which are not touching the forward path. So यहाँ पर जितने भी loops मैंने draw किए हैं, forward path कहाँ से है? First forward path, it is starting from 1 ends at 9. ये पूरा जो forward path है, okay, the darker pink color line you can see, okay, you don't find a single loop which is not touching this forward path. आप देख सकते हो yellow line, orange line, purple line, all these, they one or the other node it is touching with this forward path. तो कोई ना कोई branch या node touch हो रहा है, hence that value is 0 first forward path के लिए. Similarly, go for the second forward path. What is your second forward path? This is your second forward path. Okay, for second forward path also you may feel that ये जो yellow वाला line है इसको touch नहीं हो रहा है, this line को, but यहाँ पे तो touch हुआ है वो. This is a common line. These two are the common lines for most of the loops. Hence even for second forward path also, you are not finding any single loop which are not touching the forward path P2. Hence it is delta 2 is 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. And further you cannot continue क्योंकि यहीं पर 0 आ गया है, 2 non touching 3 non touching का तो there is no question. Hence delta 1 and delta 2 यहाँ calculated. So what is T of S? So T of S, finally the last step, 1 by delta summation of Pk delta k. So two forward paths expanded, P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2. P1, P2 are the forward paths. I have written here first forward path into delta 1 is 1 into plus P2 is the second forward path, G1, G4. You can see first forward path and second forward path into delta 2. Delta 2 is also 1 divided by, or it is 1 by delta. What is delta? 1 minus of this complete value. So I have written 1 minus of minus, it will become 1 plus. So this is your transfer function. Again, you can cross verify your answer. How? Use the technique of block diagram reduction, because in the question, instead of giving signal flow graph, block diagram is given to you. So what you can do? Use the block diagram reduction technique. Use the rules, reduce it, try to find the transfer function. Whatever answer you get, it should match with this final answer. Okay, I hope you understood this. These are two problems I have solved it today. This is one problem. This problem I think we have already solved in the block diagram reduction. You can just go back and see if this is available. Here we are using the Mason's gain formula and finding the transfer function. So you can match your answers. Block diagram में क्या answer आया था and यहाँ पर क्या है. I will just give you the hints for this. You try to solve this by yourself. The hints are how to take the number of nodes. Okay. Okay. If you observe, first let me show you how many nodes we can take. Input and output. So two, we have to take the nodes. How many summing points we have? 1, 2, and 3. 3 summing points. How many takeoff points are there? 1, 2. First takeoff point, second takeoff point. You have a third takeoff point. Okay, 3 takeoff points. Done, I guess. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 nodes you get. Now, how to take those nodes? That is very important. You take here, you see, I have started with the numbering with the leftmost, that is from 1, 2, summing point 3, takeoff point 4, summing point 5, takeoff point 6. What I have told you, extreme to the extreme right side should be your output node. Okay, with that the last node should act as a output node. But यहाँ पे the way they are connected, see, takeoff point 6 के बाद we can see takeoff point से 7 को भी connection है and 8 को भी connection है. So जब आप signal flow graph draw करोगे, समिंग पॉइंट को आप एंड नोड करके यहाँ पर जो भी है, ओके, कंटिन्यूअसली यू कैन सी लास्ट टेक ऑफ पॉइंट का नोड नंबर 6 है. 6 के बाद अब जो नंबर आता है 7, यू पुट इट एज इट इज. टू दिस you make an end. Why? Let me tell you, if I take it here, what will happen? Between 6 to 7 we have a line. So between 6 to 7 we'll have a line. Do we have any connection between 7 and 8? In the diagram it is not there. You can see in the block diagram 7 and 8 इसके बीच में कनेक्शन नहीं है. 6 and 8 के बीच में आपको एक H1 ब्लॉक मिलेगा. So 6 and 8 के बीच आपको कनेक्शन मिल जाएगा. What about 7 and 8? You don't have any connection here. आपको ऐसे ही इसको ब्लैंक छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So just to avoid that, what you can do, instead of taking the last, यहाँ पर आप इसको end करो as it is. 6 के बाद 7. यहाँ पर जो जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है, you can see, यहाँ से स्टार्ट होके ब्लॉक डायग्राम, यहाँ पे this is your R, this is your C, and you have additional node here. So ऐसे ही आप सिग्नल फ्लो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो. R leftmost, C rightmost, and you have one more block here. Okay, structure ऐसे ही करो, one here, one there, and one more here. So take the nodes in such a way, because from 7 to 8 there is no connection, ये आपको blank छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So just to avoid that, take the 8th node below. Okay, so I have given you the hints. First, to draw the signal flow graph. For this, I have already identified the number of nodes. 8 nodes will come. So interconnect them with the branches and put the gain values properly. Check the signs properly. You can see यहाँ पर जब आप use कर रहे हो, both are positive. Here it is negative, here it is negative. So make sure जब आप negative ले रहे हो, this should be minus D4. This should be minus H2. And after drawing the signal flow graph, go for Masson's gain formula, find the transfer function. So if you find it, you can cross verify with your answer, which we have already calculated in block diagram. This problem is repeated, or you can do it, immediately. You can do one more time and verify. So this is one problem given as a homework. You should try this. You should send me the answers. Okay. Now, this is one more problem. And whatever just now I have given you, the third problem, it is a exercise problem of your prescribed textbook. And your fourth problem, ये भी exercise problem है. तो ये आपको मैंने दिया है question. Let's see how you can do this, because it's a bit bigger. You'll understand, you'll learn many things here. So जो कोई भी who are willing to do this problem, willing to solve this problem, they can. Else I will continue the next session with this problem only.